Hello, dear students. Now we will study air vortex spinning. This is the diagram of air vortex spinning. As it tells that spinning is done with the help of the air vortex. In this case, a vortex is created with the help of air and an open yarn end is reached. So we are feeding the material. It is a draw frame fiber. Fiber is already opened up to draw frame stage. So how this vortex is created, that I will tell you. And this is a tube. Tube is airtight, and it is only the air is entering at particular slots. So vacuum is created inside the tube, and it is sealed. So in between it is shown tangential slots are there. So the front view is also shown, and on the left hand side it is shown that how the air vortex is created. So in this case, the twisting is done with the help of the air vortex. So there, from the tangential slots, the air is entering and it is creating a vortex. So material is from right hand at the entry, where the entry is written. The entry of the feed material is there. And then a yarn end is introduced from above. So due to presence of the tangential slot, air entering, and a very strong vortex is created, the yarn end is rotating at a very high speed. And at the same time, the material is also entering from right hand side. So fibers are also affected by the vortex. So due to rotation of the yarn end, all the fibers are also associated with this yarn and going in upward direction. So in this case, tangential slots are responsible for creating the vortex, and twisting is also done with the help of this air vortex. And the air stream grabs this material which is coming from the right hand side and transport it upward. So it is just like vortex or fibers are rotating in a whirl. Just like in Hindi we can say bavandar. So just like that, the fibers are rotating and then they are attached to the yarn end. So lower yarn end is rotating and upper yarn end is held by the withdrawal rollers. So that's why the twist is introduced. So this is the basic principle of the air vortex spinning. And then there are some problems in this air vortex spinning, and it is not very popular, although it is found in the industry. We are using it, but not to a large extent. First problem is that we are not able to achieve the adequate strength. We are not able to get the sufficient strength in the yarn because of the variation in the twist also. So variability in the twist is there, and uniformity is also not constant. So that's why the strength is lesser than the ring frame yarn. But in this case, there is one advantage, that there are very less number of rotating parts, and we are getting our yarn formation with the help of air vortex. So we can say absence of rapidly rotating machine parts. So the principle is simpler. So the specifications of air vortex spinning is that we are having spinning positions 192. So machine is available with the 192 spinning positions, and delivery speed is up to 100 to 150 meters per minute. And we can process the material, especially synthetic fibers are preferred because they are having uniform length, and that's why we will get uniform strength. So generally 40 to 50 mm fiber are processed in this air vortex spinning. We can spin count up to 30. And what is the feed material? That is draw frame sliver. So type of yarn which is formed, that is, it looks like a conventional yarn, and single yarn is formed. The properties of the yarn which is produced by this air vortex spinning, the salient properties are low strength with variation in twist, or you can say twist variability, rough surface also. So yarn is having low strength and rough surface and twist variation also. That's why we cannot make very high quality fabrics from this. So these type of yarns can be used for undemanding woven goods where quality is not a strict requirement. What are the advantages? That no rapidly rotating parts. It is very simple machine. And biggest disadvantage of this machine is that cotton cannot be spun due to variation in length, and fiber length is less. So that's why we will have very less strength and twist variation also. So this kind of yarn will not be useful for us. So today we have studied the air vortex spinning, in which twisting is done with the help of vortex of the air. Okay, so this was another open end spinning system in which open yarn end is introduced, and the fibers which are entering from the right hand side, they are attached to this rapidly rotating yarn end, and then the yarn is going in the upward direction, and after that there is a winding arrangement. So with this we finish today's lecture.